Hello, sir. Today I'll be explaining and demonstrating my home security system simulation using Arduino, a 4x4 keypad, and a 16x2 LCD display, and a buzzer. This project works is a digital door lock system that allows access only when the correct password is entered. The main idea of this project is simple. A person enters a password using the keypad, the Arduino checks if the entered password matches the correct one stored in the program. If the password is correct, the system grants access and shows a message saying access granted. But if the password is wrong, the system will display wrong pass and sound the buzzer as an alert. This kind of setup can be used as a home security system, office entry lock, or restricted area protection. Now, let's go over the components used in this simulation. First, we have the Arduino Uno, which acts as the main controller and processes all the inputs. Next, we have the 4x4 keypad. This is used to enter the password. Then a 16x2 LCD display with an 12C module shows messages and instructions to the user. Finally, we have a buzzer that gives audio feedback when access is granted or denied. Together, these components make up a simple but effective electronic lock system. When the system powers on, the LCD first displays the message door lock for a few seconds, and then it prompts enter password. The user then types in a 4-digit password using the keypad. Now let's look at the code behind this system. At the top, we include the two libraries Liquid Crystal 12C for the display and keypad for handling the key presses. The correct password is stored in the variable pass, which in my case is 2004. When a user presses a key, the input is stored in an array, and the LCD shows a star symbol for each character to hide the real digits. Once 4 digits are entered, the Arduino checks whether the entered password matches the stored one. If it's correct, the system calls the grant function, showing access granted and sounding one beep. If the password is wrong, the wrong function runs. The buzzer beeps twice and wrong pass is displayed. Now let's see the simulation in action. As you can see, the LCD displays enter password. I'll go ahead and enter the correct password, which is 2004. Each key I press shows a star symbol on the screen. Once I finish entering the password, the system verifies it. And since it's correct, the LCD displays access granted and the buzzer beeps once. This means the door would unlock in a real setup. Now let's try entering an incorrect password. I'll tap 123 for this time. The system checks it, finds that it doesn't match and shows wrong pass. After that, the system resets itself and is ready for another attempt. To conclude, this project demonstrates a simple but powerful example of how we can use microcontrollers like the Arduino to improve home security and access control. The system provides a digital lock that responds only to the correct password, combining both hardware and software to ensure protection. In short, the home security system is practical, expandable, and demonstrates the real-world application of embedded system in daily life. It shows how electronics and coding can work together to make home safer and smarter. Thank you for watching my simulation and explanation of this project. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something useful from it.